Quill is excited to introduce you to a revolutionary way to create compliant signs using the Laguna line of CO2 lasers. For the first time, we have a viable method for placing Braille dots directly onto a surface using a CO2 laser. This innovative approach streamlines Braille production like never before. This easy-to-install Braille attachment requires no modification to the machine and generally takes around 15 minutes to install. With this device, you can be producing Braille in no time. Okay, let's get right into this short demo. This demo will be using a simple acrylic panel. With a frosted face, notice that the paper is left on the backside for painting at a later date. For raised copy, we'll be using the standard stick on raised plastic material sold by many vendors. Step 2. Panel placement. Place the panel into the laser as straight and as aligned with the X and Y axes as possible, so that all text come out aligned with your sign's shape and geometry. Now, place the raised copy material in the area where you want your raised text to be. Afterward, lightly tap it down. Do not press firmly down because you'll be removing the outer portion at a later time. Step 3. Auto set the surface. Move the laser head over the raised copy area to be cut, then press Auto Surface. Step 4. Raised copy layout. Because the Quill Gel-Jet system comes with a camera system, you'll be able to get a visualization of your sign in the machine, and this will allow you to easily place your copy information exactly where you want it to be. And if you are new to using a camera with your laser, then you're in for a real treat. You will wonder how you ever did without one. Step 5. Cutting the raised copy, using the laser and the settings provided. Cut your text, which is referred here to as raised copy. This is by far the fastest way to make raised letters for the making of Braille signs. The laser's heat melts the edge of the letters, making them smooth to the touch. And with the laser's power setting just right, you can cut through the raised material and leaving the background untouched. Step 6. Cleaning and weeding. After the laser's finished, take it over to the table and wipe off the residue from the laser cutting that builds up on the surface using a good cleaner, such as denatured alcohol. Then, as shown, weed away the outside portion of the raised copy material. Step 7. Braille translation. There are a lot of ways to translate your text into Braille. One of the easiest I found was to just go online to brailletranslator.org. Once you get into the interface, go to Language and select the very bottom one, UEB Grade 2, which stands for Unified English Braille. This is a Braille standard. That's good across the United States and most places in the world. Then just type in your text in the box above and press the Start button. Once the text is translated, what you want is the text in the lower box. This is the code that you'll use in Lightburn. Copy it, and we're going to paste it into Lightburn. This process of copy and pasting using your keyboard Control-C for copy and Control-V for pasting make for a super easy way of moving between different programs. Once you're in Lightburn, first thing you should go up and select the font. You're going to be using this font is going to be called Braille, and it's a true type font. This is the easiest one to use. Paste your text from the translator onto the sign surface, and you will see UEB2 Braille appear. You will need to scale it. We found that overall height should be approximately 5 millimeters. Now grab your Braille dots and move them to the correct location below your raised copy. Then select the laser profile for Braille. This laser profile from Quill will be provided to you and goes into your Lightburn software. Afterwards, select your Braille dots again and send it to the laser to be printed by clicking the Start button in Lightburn. During the printing, the Quill fires a very carefully metered jet of resin onto the sign surface, followed by a bright blue light. This is a pre-curing operation. The dots after printing are not fully cured yet. They can be wiped off easily and reprinted if a problem occurs. After inspection, you'll use the provided UV light and cure the dots. Typically, it takes about 3 seconds to cure the dots to full hardness. Okay, we've reached the end of our how-to video, and I want to sincerely thank you for watching. Our mission is to simplify the process of creating Braille signage, and until now, even with the ease of operating a laser machine, one critical feature was missing: Braille. With this breakthrough, that barrier has been removed, opening up new possibilities. Thank you once again for joining us, and we'll see you next time.